We're making Italian grilled chicken today. Start by making a marinade with the juice of 1 lemon, which is about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. You can also zest the lemon and use the zest for some extra flavor. Then you're going to use 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and all of this goes into a bowl with about 6 cloves of pressed garlic. Now we're adding a blend of seasoning. We've got salt, pepper, and 1.5 tablespoons of Italian seasoning blend. You can make your own or you can use store-bought. That's totally fine. You just want to make sure that you're using almost an uncomfortable amount. It's not too much, I swear. It's just enough to give everything good flavor. And optional, you can add a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Now we're going to take our chicken breasts, which we have trimmed the extra fat off of, and we are going to put them into a container or a dish, and we are going to make sure to get marinade all over both sides of the breasts. You want to make sure that no piece of chicken is uncovered, and that way all that marinade, all that flavor will get into each and every bite of the chicken. Once you have the first side done, you can flip it over and do the other side. A tip here, if you're not doing this for camera, you can 100% use a large Ziploc bag and just throw the marinade in, throw the chicken breast in, and sort of squish it all up to make sure that the marinade gets everywhere. Then pop the bag in the fridge and you can let it hang out in the refrigerator for 30 minutes minimum, but up to like 6 to 12 hours. Quick tip, if you plan to let it marinate for more than 12 hours, don't add the lemon juice. You can add the zest, but not the lemon juice. The lemon juice is an acid, and that'll break down the proteins in the chicken and create this sort of like unpleasant, mealy chicken texture. It's just not good. If you're going to do an overnight long marinade, then I suggest just adding the lemon juice right before you grill. That's totally fine. Now, once you have marinated your chicken, you're going to heat up a grill over medium-high heat, which is 400 to 450 degrees. You're going to get it nice and screaming hot, and you're going to put your chicken breasts on. You're going to let each side cook for 6 to 8 minutes. Don't flip it too soon. It's going to get that nice sizzle. If you try to flip it too soon, you're going to damage the outside of the chicken and it won't sear well. So you really just, set that timer, put on a song, enjoy yourself, whatever, but do not flip it before 6 minutes. You'll see that the chicken will sort of pull away from the pan. And once it pulls away, that's when you can give it a good flip. And see, it didn't stick at all, and it just releases, and there you go, and you've got that nice brown kind of crust happening. This minimal flipping lets you sear it. The searing keeps the juices in and makes for a really moist, flavorful chicken, along with pretty grill marks when the chicken is all said and done. The chicken needs a total cook time of 12 to 16 minutes. And when it is done, it will just be all beautiful golden brown with some char marks. You can serve it on its own with a side of your favorite grilled veggies or over pasta. The full recipe is on my website, seasonsprinkles.com. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more.